the union of sets. Okay, so you have union of sets, which is denoted by A, and then you have this symbol right here, which is read as union. Okay, so you have A union of B. Okay, without further ado, let us now start the discussion, and I want you to buckle up if you're in for another fun Mathful Rush. Okay, so for example number 1, you have let A, set A be equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, and then you have B, 1, 3, 5, 7, and then for set C, you have 3, 6, 9, and we have to find the following. You have A union B, B union C, and C union D. So let's work on these examples one by one. Okay, just a fast recall lang. When we say union of sets, the only thing that you're going to do is to combine all the terms, whether meron silang common na elements or wala. All you have to do is just to simply combine everything. Pero ito lang yung catch. If it happens na meron silang common na term, you only have to write that term once. Okay? So let's work on example number 1. You have A union B. So, simple lang, ilista muna natin lahat ng mga elements ni A. So, I'll be using 2 colors ng chalk para ma-distinguish natin. So, for set A, you have 2, 4, 6, 8. That is equal to, we have 2, 4, 6, and 8. And all we have to do is to unite this one to the elements from or of set B. So, union, let's use another one. We have union 1, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, so the answer for this one is the union of these two sets is simply equal to, let us rearrange the numbers. So you have 2, 4, 6, 8, and then you have 1, 3, 5, 7. Obviously, they don't share any common element. So these are disjoint sets. So all we have to do, again, since union naman yan, ipagsasama lang natin lahat yan. I-rearrange na natin, starting with the least number, which is 1. So ibig sabihin, this is equal to 1, followed by 2. Then you have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. That is A union B. Okay, so let's have example number 2. You're asked to find the union of set B and set C. So again, let's just list down the elements of both B and C. And then after that, let us combine the terms. Okay, so for set B, that is equal to, we have 1, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, and then we are going to unite this one to the elements of set C, which is, we have 3, 6, and 9. So combining these terms, but you have to take note that they share a common element, which is 3. So isang beses lang natin yan isusulat. Hindi mo parang, kung ipagsasama mo na yung elements, yung mga identical na elements nila will not be written more than once. So isang beses mo lang siya isusulat. So therefore, the answer for B union C, okay, so B union C is equal to, let us just rearrange the numbers. So that is 1. Then we have 3. Yan na yun, yung representative na itong dalawang 3 na ito, isang 3 lang. And then you have 5, 6, and then you have 7, and then you have 9. And that's it. That is the solution for example number 2. Example number 3. You have C union B. Let us try to see if the elements of C union B is just the same as B union C. Okay? Let's start solving. So you have the elements of C are, we have 3, 6, and 9. So let us unite that one sa elements ng B, which are 1, 3, 5, and 7. Again, 3 common elements. So isang beses lang natin isusulat. So therefore, C union B, okay, C union B is simply equal to 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 9. And apparently, these elements of C union B is just the same as B union C. So therefore, we can conclude that B union C is just equal to C union B. Okay, so let's have example number 4. You have A union empty set. So, don't forget that a null set is a subset of every set. At since walang laman yan, okay, since walang laman yung empty set mo, ibig sabihin, the solution for this one, the union of A and this null set is just equal to A. set. And since wala nang laman tong empty set na to, ibig sabihin, the union of A and this one is just simply equal to A. Okay, so you have 2, 4, 6, and 8. Hindi lang to sa A, basta, this is already a rule that whenever you combine a specific set sa isang null set, ang nagiging sagot lang nila ay yung sarili nila. Okay, this is like the identity property of equality doon sa properties ng whole numbers, di ba? Okay, so dito sa set, kapag ang set mo, kinombine mo sa isang empty set, ang sagot lang niya ay yung sarili niya. Okay, so paano naman kapag yung set ay kinombine natin sa universal set? Yun yung example number 5. Okay, anong pinagkaiba nila? So dito naman, eto, kung ang empty set ay subset ng kahit na anong set, yung universal naman, iba yung konsepto niya. So si B, together with the rest of these sets, given sets dito sa problem natin, these are all subsets of U. Yung universal set mo, kasi nga, di ba, siya yung nagko-contain ng lahat ng elements na under consideration. Therefore, whenever a set is united with or combined with the universal set, the answer is always the universal set. Okay? So, yun yung explanation niya. Okay, so we're done with our last example. We have example number 6. The quantity A union B union C. So, kagaya din ng mga numbers, ang sets ay nagpa-follow rin ng PEMDAS rule. So, kung mapapansin nyo, meron siyang parenthesis. So, ibig sabihin yan, uunahin mong kunin yung union ng A at B. So, kung ano yung magiging sagot nila, yun yung i-combine mo sa mga elements na nakay C. So, gagawin na natin ngayon. We have, ililista lang natin. So, lalagyan natin ng ganyan, bracket, emphasize grouping. So, ang muna natin i-unite or kukunin yung union ay yung set A at saka yung B. So, you have 2, 4, 6, and 8. Union, your B, 1, 3, 5, and 7. Close bracket. Then, you have union, the elements of C. So, you have 3, 6, and 9. So, what is the answer for this one? Di ba wala silang common na term? So, ipagko-combine lang natin literal yan. So, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Etong mga numbers na yan, yan yung i-combine natin dito kay elements ni C, which are 3, 6, 9. So, meron bang common sa kanila? There is. You have 3. Common siya. Common. So, anong rule natin? Pag may common na element, isang beses lang natin siya isusulat. So, therefore, the answer for this one is simply equal to 1, 2, 3. Meron pa tayong common. You also have 6. Ayan, common. So, isang beses lang natin siya isusulat. So, you have 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Yeah. This is the answer for the quantity A union B union C. And so I hope that you were able to follow this tutorial video. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next